face. He's got a big cat's face. He's got the body of a cat and the face of a cat. And he flies through the air 'cause he's got a cat face. A cat face.
Catface had decided it was time for a holiday. I have decided it is time for the holiday. Grab your travel box, Boxcat. We are off. Do you have your passport?
No.
What do you mean, no? Our people fought long and hard for the right to have the passport.
No.
Well, you could have taken your box off just that once. What did you expect, huh? A picture of a box is not a photo ID. Unless you are actually a box. Oh, Boxcat, so stubborn and so proud. Well, I guess I will just have to sample the wonders of the Caribbean on my own. Bye then.
Hello, Mr. Face. How long will you be staying with us?
My name is not Mr. Face. I'm not a member of the A-Team.
You look like a member of the A-Team to me.
Oh, my. But no, my name's Catface, one word. I'm like a Cher or a Gandhi. Yes, a Gandhi. Cher is too good in comparison.
Well, I hope you enjoy your stay, Mr. Catface Gandhi.
No, that is not what... Never mind. Oh, this is very swish. I like the towel swans, but towel mass would be better, huh? Ah, yes. I see you, fishes! Don't think I do not! Sooner or later you will all be in my belly! Stupid breathing mass thing. This is the last. It's a shame my friend Bosscat is not here to enjoy it. I think you would like him. Oh, you really do a fine crab impression, Bucket Cat. Yes. Found a comedy photo opportunity. Let us use it to send him a postcard. What is this, huh? I cannot fit my head through here. Oh, now I'm all out of the film. Silly Catface. When going for a discreet holiday wax, never ask for the Kojak. Unless you want to burn the underside for a week. Maybe you do, I do not know. I'm a cat. Yes, my underside is much better now, thank you.